Okay, sir. It's me again, Marnel Argolan, and today, sir, I'm going to show the steps on how to solve the task under the Unit 7. Okay, sir, let's start. Use Word database. Then show tables. Select from country. The task 1 is display country name, continent, and head of state of all countries whose form of government is either federal, republic, or Islamic republic. Output should be sorted in terms of the term of government. This is the step that I'm going to use. Select name, government form, head of state, continent, from country, government form in Islamic Republic, then Federal Republic, order by name, enter. This is the Federal Republic and Islamic Republic, the name of the country that under Federal Republic and Islamic government form. Next task is display the country name, form of government, head of state, continent of all countries whose name starts with B. Okay. Select name, government form, head of state, continent from country or name like V, enter. This is the country that started the name of letter B. The next task is display the country name, form of government, head of state, and continent of all countries whose name starts with V and found in the continent of North America and South America. Output should be sorted in terms of the form of the government. Okay. Select name, government form, head of state, continent from country table where name like V and continent in North America, then South America, order by name, enter. As we can see now, this is the continent from South America and North America, and this is the country name that started with letter V, that under the South America and North America. Task 4. Display the name, government form, and continent of all countries in Asia and Europe whose population is below 1 million. Sort the output by continent. Okay. select name, government form, continent, from country or continent in Asia and Europe, and population less than 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Order by continent. Enter. As we can see now, this is the country name, the government form, and the Asia and Europe that they have less than 1 million population. The last task is search in the internet names of the head of state of France and Germany, then modify the head of state of France and Germany in the database. First one is I'm going to show the head of state of France and Germany. Select name, government form, head of state from country or name in France, Germany, this is the head of state of Germany and France. And the next one is I'll be going to modify them. I will be updating the head of state of Germany and France. So update country, set head of update country, set head of state, Emmanuel Jean Michel Frederic Macron, per name France, update country, set head of state, Frank Walter Steinmeier, were name Germany, enter. So we can see now we are now update the head of state of the Germany and France. Okay, let us see if I already update the head of states of Germany and France. Okay, I'm going to select name, government form, head of state from country or name in France, then Germany, as we can see now, they are now already updated. So that's all, sir. Hopefully these steps that are used to answer the task under the unit 7 is correct. That's all, sir. Thank you.